with the Countryfile forecast.
Thank you very much, John. Well, not great news for those buds or the flowers. They're after some rain after what has been a very dry spell for the last 3 or 4 weeks, because there's not too much rain in the forecast for this week, certainly not for the first half. Most places are going to stay dry and fine with some sunshine. Still the risk also of some overnight frost, particularly in the coming couple of nights. Perhaps, though, things likely to turn a little bit more unsettled during Thursday and Friday. Maybe then we will see some rain. It was a very dry March and a pretty sunny one too, the sunniest for over 40 years. And as I said, it was pretty dry as well, with only 50% or so the average rainfall across England, Wales and Northern Ireland. A little bit more in Scotland, but even here it was still a fairly dry month and a pretty warm month too, with temperatures well above average. Now, things turning a little bit cooler today across parts of the southeast behind this weather front, but for most of us, high pressure remains in control, keeping things dry for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. But then we may start to see a change. An area of low pressure across the near continent may start to drift in, and another one down close to the southwest, and it's these which may well turn things a little bit more unsettled with some rain towards the end of the week. But certainly fine and dry for most of us through the day today. We have had quite a bit of cloud in eastern areas, and that has been producing some spots of light rain or drizzle, but that's continuing to peter out. Most places staying dry this afternoon, but a lot of cloud across eastern areas. Perhaps though East Anglia, maybe Lincolnshire and the southeastern corner getting a little bit brighter through this afternoon. But the best of the sunshine today definitely out across westernmost extremities, southwest Wales, Northern Ireland and southwest England. Some mist and fog though perhaps around some of the Irish Sea coast. And where that fog sticks, temperatures could struggle, but in the sunshine, 15 perhaps in Northern Ireland, 16 in the Highlands, 17 across South Wales and southwest England. But where the cloud is in easternmost areas, well, temperatures struggling a little bit and feeling colder in that southeastern corner with quite a keen breeze. Now tonight the high stays with us, but that cold front moving in will introduce noticeably colder air, and we are going to have quite a widespread ground frost tonight across much of England. Certainly central and eastern areas could see temperatures dipping down close to freezing. Out to the west, no such problems. But again, on Monday night we could have 1 or 2 pockets of frost. Certainly a chilly start to Monday morning, for many a fairly cloudy start too. But I think most places seeing fine, dry, bright spells as the day goes on. Some sunshine developing, just some thicker cloud and maybe a spot or 2 of rain in the far northwest to end the day. Most places a little bit cooler tomorrow, and again a bit breezy in parts of the south. Top temperatures tomorrow perhaps across northern Scotland at 15 Celsius. Northern Scotland though, particularly in the Northern Isles, could see some rain during Tuesday. Maybe a shower or 2 elsewhere across Scotland, but for most parts another fine day on Tuesday. Some early morning mist and fog, that clearing away to give sunny spells. Still though cooler than it has been in that southeastern corner. And in the southeastern corner, just a chance maybe of 1 or 2 showers during Wednesday, but for most, after again some morning mist and fog, another fine, dry and bright day. And then perhaps the change towards the end of the week. Those areas of low pressure ganging up on us, bringing perhaps some shower outbreaks of rain, particularly in eastern areas on Thursday, and an increasing risk as we go into Friday. And that's the way your week's weather looks.